At Ford, we take safety seriously. We envision all our drivers and passengers being protected by the vehicles that we build. We've devoted our resources into developing safety features that aid your ability to react safely in emergency situations. The truth is that many accidents are very deadly, and this is exactly why we've designed the virtual reality test drive that you're about to experience. It's the only way for us to safely demonstrate the potential dangers of driving, and more importantly, to make you aware of the safety features that just might save you and your loved ones from undue harm. So relax, get ready, and stay safe. Greetings and welcome to the Ford Ranger Wildtrak Virtual Reality Test Drive. To help get you orientated, look to your left and to your right. Now, try and follow the Ranger as it drives around. This will help prepare you to start your journey in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward collisions are a common, unavoidable cause of motor accidents, but perhaps not anymore. On this next version of the journey, these two safety features will be engaged. You will experience how lane keeping system and forward collision warning might just change the outcome of the drive. Please prepare yourself to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lane keeping system automatically corrects you when you drift out of lane. Following that, it will also vibrate the steering wheel to let you know if you drift out of the lane again. Forward collision warning alerts you at different distances from an object. It then pre-charges the brakes accordingly. So when you apply the brakes, it results in greater and faster stopping power in emergency situations. Welcome back. We do hope that the virtual reality test drive gave you a true-to-life experience and an idea of how we use technology to help keep you safe. There are many other such features and more in our cars. So please speak to any of our assistants and they will be more than happy to tell you about them in detail. Thank you for your time and we hope you enjoyed the virtual reality test drive.